Hey, what's going on, and welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to speak lovingly to your partner to get housework done. And it's so important and so imperative with today's times because a lot of us are home more than ever, especially with our loved ones. And knowing how to speak lovingly to them not only encourages the platform for getting more housework done, but it actually unifies you guys in so many levels. So I'm going to share with you 3 tips to help you speak lovingly to your partner to get more housework done. It's so important and you're going to love it. So if you're new here, go ahead and like and subscribe and we'll move forward. So for some of you guys, this quote resonated the most with me, and it's so important to share this because it goes so well with the topic we're talking about today. Tony Gaskins says, communication to a relationship is like oxygen to life, and without it, it dies. That's so dope, right? It's so true. Communication is so important, and no matter what relationship you are in. And when I say relationship, I'm not speaking just romantically. I'm saying relationships with your family, your friends, things like that. But today we're talking more so with partners, but communication goes on all aspects of those spectrums. So with tip number 1 is something that really goes hand in hand with communicating, is knowing your partner's love language. And if you're not familiar with the love language, I'll leave more information in the description below. This is definitely going to help amp up your relationship, your communication styles, and knowing what your partner needs and wants from you in the relationship. It's so awesome. And it's something that me and my wife did 2 or 3 years in our relationship, just wanting to know more about how we can communicate better. And it's definitely a game changer. And we tell as many people in relationships as we can. So knowing what your partner's love language is so important with your communication style and providing what they need in the relationship. When you're able to meet that standard of what their love language is, it helps to unify you guys even more, not just on a physical perspective, but also an emotional and spiritual one. Yeah, I'm taking it there. You're not going to find this in any other cleaning video, I guarantee. But with tip number 2, after you've communicated and laid a foundation of knowing the rhythm and flow of your partner, it's going to be important to talk about what your cleaning standards are and your expectations. Or you can even flip it and say what you do and what your partner does and what you want them to do more of. And it probably never crossed their mind that you're doing all these different things and you just need help and to delegate these tasks and to relieve more stress off your shoulders. Or they're aware of it and they're just like, I need you to tell me what to do. Either way, with knowing their love language and their communication style, it'll help unify you guys not only together in all those other aspects I shared, but also in your home where you're able to bring peace. Peace is so important. It allows a safe place for you to become the better version of yourself. And what tip number 3 is, after you've laid down things that you do and what you would love your partner to help out with, is coming up with the game plan. This can look anything like starting a cleaning routine, starting schedules or checklists and to-do lists. And I'll leave either in the video at the top of this video or in the description below some cleaning methods that you guys can start implementing together. Make it fun, make it sexy, jazz it up. But most importantly, have fun and communicate more on what you guys need. Communicating is so important because the longer you're in a relationship, remember, you're not mind reader. You guys are evolving and changing as your relationship goes. So have date nights, have fun, get out, make cleaning a new thing and revive it. Bring it up to where you guys can squat up, come together and unify as a team. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. And if you did, go ahead and like and subscribe. So what I'm curious about are what are some cleaning things that you guys are going to start doing together? Leave that in the description below. I can't wait to hear about what you guys are doing or what are you planning to do. Let's start the conversation so other people can either get new ideas and help liven up the relationship. so you guys can get more housework done and accomplish so many more tasks in your life. In the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.